Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
At the bottom of the application window is the status bar. Within this bar you can see one of the three modes for Microsoft Project appear at the left end: Ready, Edit, or Enter. If the word Ready appears, Project is ready to do just about anything that you want. This is the mode that you want to see displayed within the status bar before you begin a new task. The next mode that you will often see displayed in the status bar is Edit mode. If you are in Edit mode, that means that you have changed the content of a selected cell within the Gantt view of your project file, but you have not yet moved from the cell to finish editing the contents of the cell. Notice that many commands will be unavailable within the ribbon when you are in Edit mode. The last mode that you will often see displayed in the status bar is Enter mode. This is very much like the Edit mode, but it's shown when you are initially entering information into a blank cell within a project file. Just as when using Edit mode, however, notice that most commands within the ribbon will be unavailable to you until you finish data entry within the currently selected cell, which then returns you to Ready mode. Next to the cell mode indicator, you will see the task mode indicator. This determines how Project schedules new tasks that you create. It defaults to New Tasks Manually Scheduled, but you can click it to change it to New Tasks Auto-Scheduled if you desire. When you then create new tasks in your project, this setting determines how the task dependencies will relate to each other when the tasks are linked within a project. For most projects where you want to have the ability to change the duration of a predecessor task and then have Microsoft Project automatically reschedule the linked dependent tasks, you will want to create the tasks using the New Tasks Auto-Scheduled task mode. We will discuss this feature in the chapter on tasks. At the far right end of the status bar, you can see the View shortcuts and the Zoom slider. You can click the View Shortcuts buttons to quickly switch between the most commonly used views of your project file. You can use the Zoom slider to change the magnification level of the view of your project file. This does not modify the content of the file in any way, but rather changes your perception of how close or far away the content appears on screen. You can click and drag the slider left towards the minus symbol to decrease the magnification level. You can also click and drag the slider to the right or towards the plus sign to increase the magnification level. Now for many views, such as the default Gantt chart view, note that the Zoom slider changes the timescale aspects shown in the view, but it does not change the magnification of the task list shown in the view. It does magnify all aspects of graph views when it is used.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.